Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Hello cutie pies. Open your math file and take out page number 141. You know it's an activity time. Today we are going to do a fun-filled activity. Here you can see lots of rows of different shapes, isn't it? What you have to do? You have to spot out particular shape and then you have to color them. You have to spot out a particular shape, then you have to color them. So, are you ready? So, take out your color box. Shall we start? Good. Now, look at the board. Here we have to spot out rectangle shape in this row. Then we have to color it with orange. In this row we have to spot out rectangle shape, then we have to do it orange color. So, which shape is this? Yes, it's a star. Yes, which shape is this? Correct, rectangle. What you have to do now? You have to do orange color in it. Now take out your orange color and start coloring. You like coloring now? So take out your orange color. We will do orange color in it. We will do orange color in this rectangle. First, color the boundary line so that it will not come out, and cover the white space. Have you all done? Good. Now tell me which shape is this? Yes, it's a heart shape. And this one? Yes, rectangle. Now color it also with orange. What you have to do first? You have to color the boundary line. Now cover the white space in a single stroke to make it beautiful. Have you done? Shall we move to the next row? Good. Here you have to make a correction. It is written rectangle. You have to write oval. Cut it and write oval. Oval shape. In this row, you have to search out oval shape. Which shape? Oval shape. Then you have to do green color in it. Okay? Now tell me, which shape is this? Yes, it's a oval shape. Then what you have to do? You have to do green color in it. So take out your green color and start coloring. tell me what you have to do. First, you have to color the boundary line. Why you have to do boundary line first? So that it did not comes out. And cover the white space. Done? Now tell me which shape is this? It's a triangle. And this one, again here we have a oval shape. Then color it with green. You have to do it nicely. First you will cover the boundary line, then you will cover the white space. Done? Good. Move to the next row. In this row you have to spot out heart shape. Then you have to do red color in it. Okay? Tell me which shape is this? Correct. It's a heart shape. So you have to do it red color in it. Take out your red color and do it in heart shape. Again you have to color the boundary line. Then fill it with red color. Now tell me which shape is this? It's a star. Good. Which shape is this? Very nice. It's a oval shape. And this one? Yes, heart. So we will do red color in it again. First make the boundary line, then cover the white space. You are doing red color. Now come to the next row. What you have to do here? You have to spot out circle shape. Then you have to do pink color in it. In this row you have to spot out circle shape and have to do pink color in it. Now tell me which shape is this? Yes, it's a triangle. And this one? Correct, it's a circle shape. Then what you have to do? You have to do pink color in it. So take out your pink color. In circle, you have to do pink color. First, cover the boundary line. Then fill the white space with pink color. Enjoy your coloring. Now tell me which shape is this? Again here we have a circle shape. So do it pink color. Color this circle with pink color. I have covered the boundary line. Now I am covering the white space. Done. Now move to the last row. Here we have to spot out triangle shape then we have to do blue color in it. Okay, in the triangle shape we have to do blue color. So spot out triangle shape. Now tell me, which shape is this? Yes, it's a star. And tell me about this. Correct, it's a triangle shape. Then you have to do it which color? Correct, blue color. So take out your blue color. Now cover the triangle with blue color. Now spot out more triangles. Is this triangle? No. Is this one? Yes. So color in it. Which color? Yes, blue color. Cover the white space with blue color. Have you all done? Did you enjoy this activity? Great. Now proceed to page number 142. Today we will practice to write counting from 81 to 90. 81 to 90. Shall we start? So take out your sharpened pencil and eraser. Now write with me. We will start with 81. 81. After 81 it's good. 82. 82. 82. What comes after 82? Great. 83. So write 83. 83. What we will write after 83? Great. 84. 84. The next number is 85. 85. What we will write after 85? Good. 86. 86. Speak out and tell me the next number. Correct. 87. 87. After 87 it is good. 88. 88. Speak out the next number. Well said. 89. 89. What comes after 89? Correct. Number 90. 90. Have you all done? Very good. Now, what you have to do? You have to do this part later on as a homework. When you complete it, click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group.